Hi, I'm Lauren Massey, physical therapist and board-certified orthopedic clinical specialist. I'm also the owner and clinical services director of Lafayette Physical Therapy and Bay Area Physical Therapy. Today we're going to talk about how balancing rest and activity improves your health. So oftentimes we're asked, how much is too much activity, or am I doing more harm than good, especially if you're having any pain? Well, to start, we know that being sedentary can definitely cause more harm than good. It can lead to weakening of your muscles, shortening or tightening of your muscles, weight gain and an increased BMI as your caloric output does not exceed your input. So if we're sitting all day, especially now working from home a lot of the time, people can come in saying, I'm just not getting outdoors, I'm not walking, and it leads to tightness in their hip flexors. You're also sitting there, you might be snacking more, right? So we need to make sure that we don't let some of the increased sedentary behaviors negatively affect our body. Also, not getting that cardiovascular conditioning decreases the function of our lungs and our heart, putting us at risk for other systemic issues. On the flip side, overtraining can also be detrimental. This leads to overuse and injury, sometimes to our tissues. So again, if you are doing too much activity and not allowing time to rest and recover, our bodies will let us know, right? Our tendons might get inflamed, our knees might start to hurt, our back's gonna start to hurt, and we're gonna end up seeking help, hopefully, to make sure that we get back on track as quickly as possible. So overall, if you remember that old adage of, you go to the gym and you do your upper body one day, lower body the next, that alternating of upper body and lower body actually inherently provided a rest of a day between each muscle group you were using. Now, do we have to stick to that exact old adage? Certainly not, but we do want that balance. We want to make sure that we're diversifying the program. So some days you're working more on your cardiovascular fitness, maybe going out and taking that walk, or if you're a runner, going for a run. You need to make sure that you're maintaining flexibility. Also, strengthening another day. Does that mean you have to go into the gym? No, there's tons of body weight exercises that you can do in the comfort of your own home. And lastly, depending on if you are into certain sports, you might be adding some speed work into your program. So the take-home message of today is there needs to be balance, balancing between rest days, activity days, and also the types of activity that you're doing. We want to aim for that good balance so that you do not injure any of your tissues, which would sideline you from the function that you want, whether it is just with daily activities or returning to your sport. If you would like help optimizing the function of your body and making sure you are in good balance, please reach out today to our office for a complimentary consultation. Thanks so much.